Imagine a world where you can power your home with clean, renewable energy, saving money while protecting the environment. That's the promise of solar energy. By harnessing the sun's power, you can reduce your reliance on fossil fuels and lower your electricity bills. With Cyberdyne Solar, California's leading full-service solar provider, you'll unlock a lifetime of clean energy savings. As the official retail partner of Lowe's Home Improvement and Walmart, Cyberdyne Solar is one of Southern California's most reliable companies. Specializing in solar, roofing, HVAC, battery and ESS storage, upgrades and beyond, Cyberdyne Solar is your #1 choice. With a comprehensive 25-year warranty covering equipment replacement, system repairs, all parts and labor, and watertight roof penetrations for 10 years, we ensure peace of mind with every installation. Join the solar revolution today and take a step towards a greener tomorrow. Cyberdyne Solar is your trusted partner in energy independence and your one-stop shop for sustainable living. Contact us today for a free consultation and start your journey towards a brighter, cleaner future.